Hello, YouTube. I'm Eli the Fatigued. Playing some more Cataclysm, Dark Days Ahead. Where we preferably don't die. Alright, let's see what's in this LMOE shelter. Play on. I don't know where he went. Oh. Hopefully he's going to deal with the dinosaurs. Ah, there it is. Alright. Ah. I was like, yeah, where is the entrance to it? And I found it. M1A. Wow. Now that's an old gun. Whistle multi-tool. Does this one have the temperature? Yes. Nice. Temperature is 43 degrees in here. Very nice. Multi-tool actually build this. Eh. Anyway, I should take out my earplugs. Cookie. Man, whoever this was not prepared for the Cataclysm. Hey, the plastics book. And a repair kit. Nice. Yeah, I don't know what's causing the audio issues. Hello, Epic Arthur. Why is there a COD on the side? I'm not on Discord. I'm actually going to be ending the stream here pretty soon. I have to go to work for a little over an hour. This will be the last episode for today. Thought I fixed the audio issue, but maybe it's just the sound pack. Oh, a code? I don't know what code you're talking about. Talking about something down here? Oh. Black thing. Are you talking about the sidebar? This over here? Ah, okay. So the sidebar, or the code as you call it, it's telling me all the information about my character and my surroundings. So I just picked up like a whistle multi-tool which has a thermometer on it, so now I can tell the temperature. This is the days I've survived, the current time of day, the weather, the lighting, the location I'm in, like the amount of activity I'm in doing. This is miles per hour of the vehicle I'm in, but once I go out of the vehicle, it's my current speed as my character. Focus is how focused I am, you know, and this is the health of my character's different parts. These are my stats. This is how happy I am. This is my pain. This will be hunger, thirst, and then tiredness here. And this chat bar is just a smaller version of this, which allows me to see what's going on in the world. That's the short and simple of it. Oh, and then there's a mini-map here for the local area, and then the global mini-map right here. Oh, no. No, I'm not that good at I'm not that good at coding. Don't worry. I'm not coding the game. No, this is just a very, very old game that's been around for, what is it, 20, 30 years, something like that. It's gone through many iterations, and this is the tile set version. There's another version which is just ASCII, which is the you know, just the letters of the alphabet. I can't play that version because it hurts my brain. I don't know what's causing those audio glitches. I don't know if it's the loops or what, but nice. Hope you're having fun with GTA. You mean this town? Yeah. I don't really want to go into that town. It's really full of a lot of zombies. Plus my vehicle's inventory's full. So I gotta go drop some stuff off back at my base over here. That's awesome, dude. I'm glad you're having fun with it. Zombie horde up here. Good in that drop. The body side or whatever. No, nothing really that good. I'll let you know if I ever want to play GTA, but I'm gonna let you know right now that for the foreseeable future, I don't plan on playing GTA ever. I mean, maybe the older GTAs, do like a playthrough of those. I just have to be very careful. Those those older ones still have some really inappropriate stuff, and I don't know how Twitch would react to that. So even then, I don't know if I'd play that GTA. Alright, there we go. We got a ton of stuff to unload now. Yes, unload it all, even if there's not enough room. Oh my gosh. Alright. Keep the Barrett in there. Magazine, the ammo. Hold a bicycle, an emergency blanket. Take that out. Oop, there we go. That. Keep all the. Oop, no, the egg carton, condiments. Stuff that needs to be cooked first, basically. Alright. Sort out. Oh no. Did it sort out what's inside the vehicle? Yes, it did. I gotta be very careful of that in the future. Let's see. Let's change this to like here instead. There we go. Alright, lots of stuff. Yeah, I know people play GT on Twitch. I don't plan on being one of them. Uh, oh, I got rotten food. Dang it. Oh, uh, oh. Not mean to grab that out of there. That's stuff I want to keep in there. just plop it all down here. There we go. Oh dear. That is completely full of stuff. Hmm. Crap. Moved all that jerky. Cracklins. Hard. Let's remove or edit this one. Actually, just that one, I think, at this point. Unfortunately, we got a lot of rotten stuff. Makes me sad, but it is what it is. Let's eat these BLTs to cheer ourselves up. Wait, why is peanut butter going in there? Is peanut butter counted as a drink? What? That's funny. Alright. We should make some straps. Make one strap, I mean. I think I got another one. The mods. Wait, what? That's dumb. There we go. Alright. Got the Barrett. Got the scout rifle. We should... Can you put a shoulder strap on the Barrett? That doesn't... Okay, I guess you can. Okay, let's read... Yeah, got the plastics book finally. Alright, so... right, I was gonna see about the kitchen buddy. Vacuum sealer, dehydrator, purifier, and processor. I got a dehydrator and a processor. Got one of each, actually. Yep, one of each, yeah, no, that... Yeah, I got one of each. I got one of one and two of the other. There we go, those are the words I was looking for. Then I was like, for, vacuum. I picked, yeah, I didn't think I picked it up. And... Purify. Oh. So, buddy... Purifier... Interesting. Micro and power. Running out of electronic scraps. No. uh, vacuum. I should be able to make a purifier, water purifier, because that's where I was gathering heat elements. That's where I was gathering the heat elements. I remember now. I feel like it uses a lot of heat elements. Yeah, 8 heating implements. Well, I'm glad I was picking them up. Having this plus the chemistry station, good. I think there's actually a chemistry buddy as well that might have been in Blaze Mod. I don't have Blaze Mod, I have Blaze Industries. Yeah. Um, As far as I know, Blaze Industries actually doesn't have that much added to it right now, unfortunately. Alright, YouTube, I do need to end the episode here and the stream because it's getting close to when I have to go to work. Thank you for joining me. This has been quite the adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode. It really does help to support the channel, and I do appreciate the support. Thank you all so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.